Hello students, a very warm welcome. Namaste, namaskara, sat sri akal, good evening to all my lovely little atoms. Hi Adit, hey Vedant, Astha, very good evening. I am doing good. What about my students? Are you all doing good? पढ़ाई ठीक ठाक चल रही है? And how's your health? I hope all of you are fine. Hello Anu ma'am. Lots of love from Prakhar. Hello Prakhar, thank you. OP, how are you? Om Pandey. Pratibha, Prabhanu, good to know that you're good. शौर्या जी, शौर्या गोयल, ब्रैकेट में कुछ लाइन कुछ तो लिखा है एच के साथ के यू आर रीनेमिंग मॉड्यूल नो श्रेया, दैट वाज मॉड्यूल 4 लिखा था, मैंने उसको 3 चेंज कर दिया बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट वी वर डिस्कसिंग. तो वो थोड़ा स्लाइड्स को ना आई वाज शफलिंग टू मेक द बेस्ट आउट ऑफ द कंटेंट दैट वी हैव अरेंज्ड, इसीलिए. एजी मैम को हाय. हेलो अंशिका, बिग हाई फ्रॉम माय साइड as well, and don't forget to say a big hi to Anu ma'am also. Anu ma'am is there in Q&A panel, and Anu ma'am will help you to take your relevant topic related doubts, because Anu ma'am is today's class teacher, our chemistry experts, the one who's going to handle your chemistry doubts. So she knows chemistry very well. You have to trust her, you have to stay calm, and ma'am will handle your doubts. Hemel, kaise ho? Acid show their acidic property and base show. Yes Adit, एकदम ठीक. ये देखो, अभी मैंने बोला टॉपिक रिलेटेड डाउट्स, एंड उसी बात पे यू आर लाइक यू स्टार्टेड. थैंक यू श्रेयस. चलो फिर आगे बढ़ेंगे. या हाँ जी नमन, आई विल जस्ट रिकॉर्ड द वीडियो ऑन दैट इंस्टा वेयर यू आस्क द डाउट एंड आई विल सेंड इट. डोंट वरी, वो तो बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है, 7th क्लास में कराया था मैंने, सच में. ठीक है, ये वेरी फेमस यूट्यूबर. अच्छा तेज, ऐसा क्या? अबे हाँ, सारी क्लासेस अटेंड करना इंपॉर्टेंट है, ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स. सो इफ यू मिस एनी सेशन, प्लीज मेक श्योर दैट यू सी द रिप्ले, बिकॉज वी रीच टू मॉड्यूल नंबर 3. 2 आर ऑलरेडी डन. एंड व्हाट आर वी गोइंग टू डू? इफ यू रिमेंबर, वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट the properties of acids and bases, that how do they react with different substances. Or last class ka last topic I have covered, that is how your metal is going to react with acid and base. That part is done. We will talk about how metal carbonate, metal bicarbonate, metal oxide, ये कैसे रिएक्ट करेंगे एसिड बेस के साथ, वो आपस में कैसे रिएक्ट करेंगे, वी विल गेट टू नो. ठीक है. Yes, this is the third session. And let's start with a quick quiz question. And come on students, you have to answer this. And don't spam. I've told you so many times that you guys are mature enough. You are in 10th class. If you'll do this, if you will not, pay attention in the class and keep on writing unnecessary things, it will take your attention to somewhere else and you might not get certain things. Ma'am repeat करती रहती है. So trust me, if you listen to me calmly, half of your problems are going to get solved. ठीक है, तो याद करो इस बात को. On that note, we'll start with this question. बहुत simple है, basic of last class which we did, like how your magnesium ribbon is going to react with HCl, and when they react, there is a gas that is going to evolve. What's that gas? Very simple. Is that chlorine, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, or oxygen? We will have our account continued, clap and slap account. Let's see how many slap and maximum hopefully clap. 3, 2, 1. Now. My laptop खराब हो गया था. I hope it's working fine now. That's problem. Akshat is telling today is my birthday. Akshat, is it so? Akshat, wish you a very happy birthday, bacha, and may all your wishes come true, and you stay happy, stay healthy. Cation army, नमन. हाँ, मैम की एटम्स आर्मी से चेंज होके अब केटाइन आर्मी हो गया है. गोल्डन हार्ट से ब्लू हार्ट हो गया है. Okay, and that is absolutely correct response. Really sorry. Ayush, Palak, Tushar, Aditri, Suman, Rahul, Naman, Aditi, and Vedant. I think I have told you. I think I've replied on the mail if you have seen that. Naman, Aditi, Ishan, very fast response. आज सब केमिस्ट्री टीचर मेरे साथ क्यों रूठ रहे हैं? मैं रूठ गई पहले ही. First time your name came, Ishan, that's so great. 94%, not bad. कौन है ये students जिनको मैम का बहुत जोर वाला virtual slap मिलेगा who answered A and B? Come on, students, that's a displacement reaction. Metal displacing hydrogen. You are getting metal ka salt, metal ka compound with that negative part, and then you get hydrogen gas. Okay, so definitely answer is what? C option, but which is hydrogen gas. Yes, Anshika. Yes, Akshay. सात्विक जी मैं एकदम ठीक हूँ. Hope you're fine too. मैं रहूंगा नहीं. Be like चतुर, मैं हंसूंगा. Okay, chat is off. Look at this next question, which is again very easy. When sodium metal react with HCl, a gas is evolved. We know this from the last question itself. How do you identify the gas experimentally? How do you identify the gas? That burn with brown fumes, that burns with no sound, burns with pop sound, or none of these? Again, what do you call it? Easy peasy. For one more clap, that's what I'm thinking. 3, 2, 1, go. फिर से we can cross 90. What do you say? Yeah, ma'am, 90 is very easy. We'll do it. Yo. Okay, time is up. And isn't it great? 2 times all green FFL. Ayush, OP, Tushar, Palak, Naman, Akshat, Aditi, Rahul, Vaishnavi, and Suman. Very fast response. We'll call it yay. Same response. Shriyesh, thank you, bache. Same response. Amazing, amazing. That is bonds with pop sound. Hydrogen gas is released, and remember, hydrogen bonds with a pop sound. ठीक है? हाँ, balancing बहुत जरूरी है जागृति. Remember that you balance a chemical reaction. Okay, we started today. 10 to 2 you slept on your chair. नमन ये तो too much हो गया. थोड़ा कम पढ़ाई करो. सोचो teacher is telling कि कम पढ़ाई करो. हाँ, you should have a healthy day also. Try to involve fruits in your diet है. अच्छे से मतलब खाना पीना खाओ. Secret of spamming, Control plus V. I'm getting this, Shreyesh. And देखो, requesting you to not spam. Everyone, spamming ain't good. Not at all good. And that says a wonderful response from my student side. Ayush, Palak, Tushar, Om, Naman, Rahul, Aditi, Suman, Vaishnavi, Aditri, Astha, Ishan, Akshat and Shubhashri. That's so amazing. देखो stage मैं कल लास्ट टाइम भी वार्निंग दी थी, अभी भी बोल रही हूँ. जो भी बच्चा एक मैसेज को 2 बार से ज्यादा लिख रहा है, आई विल कंसिडर इट एज स्पैमिंग एंड आई कैन ब्लॉक. दोबारा बोलूंगी नहीं, आई डायरेक्टली ब्लॉक. फोकस ऑन द सेशन. नमन, आई एम टेकिंग दैट ओनली. सॉरी तेज, आई एम टेकिंग दैट ओनली. यू विल गेट इट. यू विल गेट इट. सुनो अभी ध्यान से. कीपिंग द चैट ऑफ एंड लेट्स मूव अहेड. वेदांत टू मेक अ टाइमर फॉर 5 सेकंड. हाँ तुषार, मुझे लगता है with time I think this feature will also come. Okay, let's see the chemical reactions of acids and bases with metal carbonate. Last में metal किया था, metal carbonate and then metal bicarbonate. दोनों में difference क्या है? Metal carbonate क्या होता है? CO3. Metal का compound with CO3. Bicarbonate क्या होता है? Metals compound with HCO3. H is hydrogen. You can also call it hydrogen carbonate, or this is also called as bicarbonate. Okay? Let's see the reaction between the two, and it's very easy. Let's try to imagine with the help of a situation in our day-to-day life that we see. Taj Mahal. How many of you have visited Taj Mahal? Yay, yes, no, yes, no. Okay, Naman hai, Shreyas hai, Akshat, Jagriti. I live in it. ये कौन है? All right, so many people, so many people. Thank you so much for telling me. I have also visited Taj Mahal once, and with my family, like cousins. So 5 times. Oh my God. चलो chat off करते हैं. Why I'm telling about Taj Mahal right now? You know Taj Mahal किससे बना होता है? That's marble and that's calcium carbonate. आपको पता है Taj Mahal day by day dull पड़ता जा रहा है, थोड़ा pale होता जा रहा है. Otherwise, when it was built, it was white like milk. So what exactly had happened? This was my marble calcium carbonate, जिससे metal का carbonate, जिससे this Taj Mahal is made. So what exactly had happened? Acid rain. Acid rain is something that is responsible for losing its shine. आपको पता है in that area, वो आगरा वाला जो area है, there are so many factories and all. तो वो क्या करते हैं? They give non-metal के oxide. ठीक है? Like nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, non-metal के oxide from the chimney that kept on releasing. And those combine with the water vapor in the atmosphere and make acid. So NO2, when combined with water, give nitric acid. Sulfur dioxide, when combined with water, give sulfurous acid, H2SO3, because there were 3 oxygen. अब नेचर में क्या ऑलरेडी इनफ ऑक्सीजन है, तो ये फिर से ऑक्सीडाइज होके H2SO4 बना लेता है. ठीक है. एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड whenever combined with water vapor, carbonic acid. So in our nature, there are different kind of acids in the upper atmosphere. When rain came, those acids are also coming with rain, and that rain is acid rain. I think you know it from 8th class also. अगर an idea 8th को पढ़ाया है, that was something that you know. So students, acid जो होते हैं ना, that is affecting Taj Mahal in terms of losing its shine. कैसे? Let's talk about the reaction. ये मेरा calcium carbonate था like this. I have suppose sulfuric acid आया. How your metal carbonate is going to react with acid? I think if you have attended last class, I told you metal carbonate, metal oxide, these are basic in nature, है ना? Basic मतलब hydroxide नहीं है, but more of like weak base. Basic salt, जो basic salt होते हैं वो weak होते हैं nature में. They have a nature which is a bit basic. Acid के साथ जब base combine करता है, you get salt water. So salt water you will definitely get. You will get one extra product, that is CO2. Then ever. So this is like a trick. Remember that 100% will work. Whenever you see CO3, HCO3, one of the product is always CO2. One of the product is always CO2. So two product is salt, water, and one is CO2. तो कैसे मिलेगा? इसको इसके साथ कंबाइन कर दो, इसका पॉजिटिव इसके नेगेटिव के साथ, DD रिएक्शन, डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट. यू गेट कैल्शियम सल्फेट. हाइड्रोजन यहाँ से एक ऑक्सीजन ले लेगा, H2O will take one oxygen from here, H2O. What are we left with? CO2. So whenever metal carbonate react with acid, we get उस metal का salt, metal salt, calcium sulfate, water and CO2. क्या product मिलेंगे? Metal salt, water and CO2. These are the 3 products we'll always get. Now, how will you detect the CO2 gas? I think you will tell this to me. How do you identify the gas experimentally? That turn soda water yellow, that turn lime water milky, evolves with brown fumes? None of these. Yes, CO2 gas ko how will I identify? Got the doubt? Got the question? Chalo. Let's see. 3, 2, 1, go. Quickly, students. %91. Let's complete it. More participation you will show in the class, more output you will get. उतना ज़्यादा समझ आएगा, ठीक है? Because you will know, अरे यार गलत हो गया. I'll be like, अरे this time it was good. तो गलती करोगे, you learn. सही होगा, that will give you confidence. So keep on doing that. This is not showing me very good response, by the way. हाँ, कौन है? सोडा वाटर येलो, सोडा वाटर इज कार्बोनिक एसिड, उसको येलो, आई हैवंट हर्ड अबाउट दिस एवर। देखो, CO2 टर्न्स लाइम वाटर मिल्की, ऐसे कैसे होता है स्टूडेंट्स? बी ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट, because lime water is what? A solution of calcium hydroxide. This is lime water. I think one of the student asked me this doubt also in last class. Ma'am, quick lime और lime water में क्या difference है? Quick lime calcium oxide है, lime water calcium hydroxide का solution है. When you pass CO2 gas from it, carbon dioxide gas from it, it will turn milky calcium CO2 और एक ऑक्सीजन यहाँ से ले लेगा, it will give CaCO3, calcium carbonate. यहाँ एक ऑक्सीजन कम हो गया, one is left and two hydrogen, H2O. So whenever we pass CO2 gas that we got from this reaction to lime water, that combine with CO2 to give limestone, calcium carbonate, which has milky appearance. So in water, it is making a milky appearance. As simple as that. Because of this. This is very easy. And कई बार ये question पूछ लेता है. Please do remember that my metal carbonate, whenever react with acid, metal salt, water, CO2, and CO2 turn lime water milky. Simple. Now we'll talk about bicarbonate, that how bicarbonate is going to react. ठीक है? Let's see metal bicarbonate. एक simple example ले लेती हूँ. Let me talk about this example. NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate. क्या है ये? Sodium bicarbonate. What did I do? I mixed with acid. Suppose मैंने HCl ले लिया. I have taken dilute acid. Okay. Case of Taj Mahal. Prabhanu, that was very simple. I just said that Taj Mahal was very shiny before because that was pure marble calcium carbonate. Whenever acid rain occurs, what exactly had happened? That acid react with marble, which is metal carbonate. Metal carbonate, whenever react with acid, give metal salt, water and CO2. तो उसकी जो upper layer है वो dull होती जा रही है. That layer became dull because some salt is forming over it because of that acid rain. So that's the case, Prabhanu. That's helping to make the Taj Mahal dull, make the marble calcium carbonate dull. इतना ही है. Now when it's reacting with acid, again I told you product will be same. Even if metal carbonate react or bicarbonate, product will be same. So what's the difference? Maybe difference in the number of moles of reactant taken and number of moles of product formed. उतना ही difference है. There's no other difference in the reaction. Same तरीके से दे react. तो metal salt देगा. One hydrogen, two hydrogen, one oxygen from here, H2O, and what are we left with? CO2. So metal carbonate, bicarbonate, whenever react with acid, metal salt, water, CO2. इसी का एक और example for more clarity. I have taken metal carbonate. देखो same type का ले लिया मैंने, same metal ले ली, same metal का I have taken carbonate and bicarbonate and same acid. Let's see, will they show same reaction? 100% yes. The only difference is for metal bicarbonate, 1 mole of HCl is required. Here 2 Na है, we'll be requiring 2 Cl. So 2 mole of HCl is required. So 2 Na, 2 Cl, 2 NaCl बन गया, and then 2 hydrogen, took 1 oxygen from here, H2O, and last product is CO2. 1 oxygen was gone, CO2. Now you compare what's the difference when I take carbonate and bicarbonate. Maybe acid ka amount taken could be different. The amount of salt formed could be different, but the product is same. That's how my metal carbonate bicarbonate react with acid. ठीक है? बहुत simple है. One more part is base do not react with carbon and carbonate bicarbonate. काम easy हो गया. Now work is less. Why so? Because in the last class I told you metal carbonate bicarbonate is basic in nature. Not very strong base. Basic salt की category में आता है. So basic salt मतलब जो कम basic होते हैं. They are very less basic, but they are. तो base इनका खुद का nature है. They have basic nature. How can they react with base? They should have an opposite nature to react. That's why no reaction. Work is less because base does not react with carbonate bicarbonate. बहुत simple हो गया. ठीक है? So this is something we got till now. That was like very easy. Let's try to do one question because this kind of a question come in exam. Hmm? A student dropped few pieces of marble in dilute HCl. Marble, you just have to, mark all the important things that you'll not miss. This is my marble, calcium carbonate, and he put it in dilute HCl. Okay, the evolved gas was then passed through lime water. Let's see what will be the reaction to HCl. I got calcium chloride, metal salt. I got H2O, water, and I got CO2 gas. Now they are telling the evolved gas was then passed through lime water. बिल्कुल हमने किया था. When that was passed through lime water, they react together. This gas with calcium hydroxide give calcium carbonate and water. I think I told you a minute before. I got calcium carbonate in water. That's why this lime water turns milky, because this has milky appearance. This is white in color. That's why. Now, what happens if excess of gases pass through lime water? This is very important thing, students. I got this as a product. I took calcium hydroxide, lime water, CO2 gas we were passing. It turns milky because ye product bana. And now I'm like, I am passing it on, passing it on. I've kept on passing CO2. I'm not stopping. Okay? So when we pass excess of CO2, when we pass excess of CO2 from it, what exactly will happen? So they will combine together. Calcium took some hydrogen and then carbonate to give calcium bicarbonate. तो क्या होता है? Calcium carbonate, water, milky appearance. They react with excess of oxygen. They react with excess of oxygen to form what? They will form calcium bicarbonate. Okay, you can see reaction is already balanced. 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 2 carbon, 1, 2, 2 carbon. 3 into 2, 6 oxygen, 2, 1, 3 and 3, 6 oxygen. Already balanced. So calcium carbonate का solution मिला मुझे, which is totally soluble in water, more of like transparent, just like salt in water. So that milkiness disappeared. Okay, I'm repeating it again. When lime water turns milky due to CO2, because we got calcium carbonate in water, I got this aqueous solution. When I kept on passing CO2, they react with it to form calcium bicarbonate, which is totally miscible, totally mixed in water and transparent ho jata hai. That's why that milkiness disappears. All of the reaction I have written in front of you, which was quite important. Okay? Slide 34. I think you're talking about the last slide, bache. So this is something that I've shown you, Nancy. If you're asking about this slide, I just told that acid is something that react. Acha, try to avoid writing slide number. It can be confusing. At least in short, try to write a line that what you want me to explain. That will be better. That metal carbonate, bicarbonate react with acid to give salt, water, CO2. Simple. When metal carbonate, bicarbonate, we react with base, no reaction. Why? Base won't react with base. They should have an opposite nature to react. That's what we did. Okay? A question and then we will move ahead to talk about next thing. Okay. Curd should not be kept in copper or brass vessel. Why? Curd should not be kept in copper or brass vessels. Why? Students, one more suggestion. Sometimes it happens, though I'm making sure that I'm repeating it again and again. If you think that you need a bit more clarity, you can even see the replay of the session. Speed bhi change kar sakte ho. 1.25, 1.5 and can revise those concepts again. Okay? Curd should not be kept in copper or brass vessel. Curd mein kya hota hai, students? I will not tell. You will only decide. Copper or brass metal is toxic. Lactic acid present in curd react with copper or brass metal and taste changes. It's an old fashion to keep curd in copper or brass vessel. None of these. Curd should not be kept in copper or brass vessel. Why? And your time starts in 3, 2, 1. Now. Okay. Wow, so fast response, so fast. I think this is going to be the third time that we're going to cross 90. So I'm hopeful. You all are doing awesome. Hat trick banaya. Tushar, Adit, Ritika, Ayush, Tej, OP, Akshat, Aditya, Prakhar, and Palak. So awesome and fast response. See, we crossed 90 again. Very happy. Rest students, a slap had added in your account. Answer क्या है? Third में क्या होता है? Lactic acid. That's why that's खट्टा. That's sour. Acid, when react with metal, that's the same thing. Copper, brass, they carry metal. Copper एक metal है, brass में भी alloy है, metal का mixture. Metal with acid that's there in the curd, that's lactic acid, they react. Salt बनेगा metal का, hydrogen gas. So product is something that could be a bit poisonous. Not very strong, but something a little poisonous. तो वो वाला curd खाओगे, it is going to be harmful for a long run. ठीक है, simple as that. ये देखो, Adit, I have explained this question 2 times. बच्चा, whenever you see, you can always see the replay, है ना? मैंने 3 बार explain किया. अब भी आपको लगता है किसी भी students को, please try making this habit to see replays because that will help you for better revision. Students, this question was a conclusion, whatever I've taught you till now. Marble, a student had taken, which is calcium carbonate. He dropped those marble pieces in acid. And I told you already, metal carbonate acid के साथ react करके will give metal salt, water and CO2. Calcium Cl2 के साथ calcium chloride बनाएगा. Positive with negative, calcium chloride. H2O, 2 hydrogen took 1 oxygen, H2O and CO2. Metal salt, water, CO2. कितनी बार repeat कर दिया? Then it was asked कि whatever the evolved gas from this reaction, we pass it from lime water. When we pass it from lime water, I think this also I've told you a few minutes before, that it turns milky because CO2 react with this to give calcium carbonate and water. Now they said that what will happen if excess of this gas was passed, that we kept on passing CO2. We got this product, milkiness came, but we didn't stop. We kept on passing CO2. So the product again react with further CO2 and metal carbonate. My calcium carbonate changes to calcium bicarbonate. What's the difference? This was white in nature, not soluble in water, milky, but this is soluble in water, transparent, because just like salt, water में mix हो जाता है, calcium bicarbonate has totally mixed in that aqueous solution. So milkiness disappear. That's the result. Milkiness disappear. ठीक है? Simple. आगे बढ़ते हैं students. Now the type of reaction we are going to do is, इसके बाद फिर से quiz. How metal oxide is going to react with acid and base. So what is metal oxide? Again, I told you basic nature, weak base, but basic nature. They'll only react with acid because opposite nature. Base, acid के साथ. But if I take any base and then try to react with metal oxide, reaction would be very rare, almost no reaction. ठीक है? क्योंकि ये भी base, reaction would be very rare. Any मतलब special cases would be there. ठीक है? So example से समझते हैं. We have taken copper oxide, metal का oxide है, black color का होता है, that was having a black color. We put it in HCl. We have taken a diluted HCl. ठीक है? We have taken an acid, dilute HCl. Again, what will be the reaction? Acid, base. Acid, base react together, salt and water. That's what the product formed. तो calcium गया, copper गया chlorine के साथ. Copper का valency है 2. We'll be needing 2 chlorine. Product is CuCl2, salt, 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen, water. So students, और calcium chloride का जो color होता है वो greenish blue होता है. That's what we'll get as an aqueous solution. So what's the conclusion? I'm asking it again. What's the conclusion? Metal oxide is basic in nature that react with acid to give salt and water. And metal oxide won't react with base because they both will be basic and base ka base se reaction could not possible or very rare. वेरी सिंपल पॉइंट है ना. तो बस यही समझना है स्टूडेंट्स. So this part is also clear that how metal oxide is reacting with acid to produce salt water and base के साथ no reaction. If you get few points तो ये clarity मिलती चली जाएगी. It's not difficult. This is something that you will definitely get with more and more practice. Let's talk about non-metal oxide, and I'm pretty sure you know it from 8th class that metal oxides are basic, non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. तो ये acid है. अब सोचो, they react with acid? No. They react with base? Yes. Opposite action होना चाहिए. So non-metal oxides, because having a acidic behavior, won't react with acid but react with base. Example से समझाती हूँ. देखो example क्या लिया. मेटल नॉन मेटल का ऑक्साइड ले लिया मैंने CO2. कार्बन इज अ नॉन मेटल. नॉन मेटल का कार्बन का ऑक्साइड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. आई हैव टेकन दिस नॉन मेटल का ऑक्साइड. इसका नेचर क्या है? एसिडिक. आई हैव टू रिएक्ट इट विद द बेस. कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड इज अ बेस. दिस इज अ बेस. ठीक है. अगेन नॉन मेटल ऑक्साइड, एसिडिक बिहेवियर. आई एम ट्राइंग टू रिएक्ट विद द बेस. Acid base react together to give salt and water. Same kind of a reaction, but पिछली बार metal oxide with acid लिया था, इस बार non metal oxide with base लिया है, because they show that kind of a nature, acid base वाला. तो देखो, they react together to give salt water. I got calcium carbonate, I got water. I got my salt, I got my water. So conclusion is same, that base react with non-metal oxide, acid react with metal oxide. ठीक है? So this is something that you should know. अब छोटी सी बात and we will move ahead. Hydrogen is more reactive than copper. How copper displaces hydrogen? Okay, Pari, question was this: copper oxide with HCl. Pari, is that a single displacement reaction? No, बच्चे. सिंगल डिस्प्लेसमेंट क्या होता है? अ मेटल, अ सिंगल एलिमेंट बीइंग मोर रिएक्टिव कैन डिस्प्लेस a less reactive metal from its substance. If that would be the reaction, बच्चा, that won't be possible. ये देखो, this is copper oxide with HCl. This is DD reaction, double displacement, and उसमें we are not talking about reactivity. This with this, this with this. ठीक है? Then you have to balance it. ठीक है परी? So copper chloride and H2. Now there's very important thing that is left, and then we'll take quizzes. We know about metal, metal carbonate, metal bicarbonate, metallic oxide, non-metallic oxide, how they react with acid and base. Don't worry, I'll show a summary slide very soon. But there's one thing that I want to ask from you, very important reaction that is left, and that you'll get with this thing. That is, which one do you prefer to give a person suffering from acidity? You'll be like, oh, my stomach is hurting a lot, बहुत जल रहा है. At that case, what will you prefer as a home remedy? Lemon water या baking soda solution? Okay, some students can be confused in this one, but don't worry, confusion will be clear. Let's see in 3, 2, 1, now. Okay, as I was expecting, some students got confused. Correct answer, students, is baking soda, not lemon water. I'll tell you the difference. Why students get confused in this one? कि मैम मम्मी ने किया है हमारे साथ. Sometimes she give lemon water and like drink. या फिर lemon लेके we put some salt and we just take it. That make us feel better. Students, there is a difference between the two. I'm telling you. लेमन वाटर कब फॉलो करते हैं, कब लेते हैं? इन द केस ऑफ इंडाइजेशन. इंडाइजेशन क्यों होता है? वी हैड एसिड इन आवर स्टमक, वी ईट द फूड, मे बी द strength, the amount of acid is not sufficient enough to break down the food, to digest the food. तब होता है indigestion, यानी कि acid का amount in our stomach is comparatively less. So taking lemon water, acid है, so that acid is kind of helping for better digestion. समझ रहे हो? When we take baking soda, that's a base. और वो कब लेते हैं बेसिक सोल्यूशन, बेसिक सॉल्ट, जब एसिडिटी हो जाती है. एसिडिटी होती है when we have excess of acid in our stomach, जलने लगता है पेट, our mucus layers start hurting. तो एसिड फॉर्मेशन ज्यादा है एसिडिटी में. We treat with baking soda because it carry base, and that base react with excess of acid. That react with excess of acid in our stomach, neutralize it. Extra जो acid था ना, that base will neutralize it, and we'll feel better because it just help us to that the pain is gone in that way. Isn't it easy? So what basically I want to tell you from this reaction, the reaction of acid with base, that how my acid and base is going to react. That's what I told, neutralization. That my acid is reacting with base and we got salt and water. And salts are not harmful for our body. Salts anyway we need in our body. So baking soda लेने से small amount में won't be harmful. ठीक है? अभी ये देखो न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन 7th क्लास से पढ़ते आ रहे हो. आई एम प्रीटी श्योर अबाउट इट. लेट्स ट्राई टू टेक सम एग्जांपल. HCl लिया, हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड, बेस लिया सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, एंड वी आर ट्राइंग टू रिएक्ट देम टुगेदर. H with OH, Na with Cl. First chapter, DD reaction, double displacement, when two aqueous solution react. H OH के साथ water बनाएगा, Na with Cl, NaCl. So acid base gives salt and water, right? Acid and base react together to give salt and water. तो मैं अभी quiz ले रही हूँ students, but let me tell you the summary because this is quite important. Try to get it once and then I'll start the quiz. Come on students, I'll start the quiz, but just remember the summary. Too much crowd action. Even I don't like going to crowded place. I will explain my stomach to not jealous in acidity. Yeah, tell. You have no right to feel jealous. Don't worry, I'll make you feel better. Instead, can't we directly eat salt with water? Anshika, salt. I didn't get your point. Salt with water causes dehydration in our body. If you take excess of salt with water, salt को salt को बॉडी को एब्जॉर्ब करने के लिए भी पानी चाहिए, और वो बॉडी में जो स्टोर्ड वाटर है उसको कंज्यूम कर लेता है. दैट कॉजेस डिहाइड्रेशन. इज डिस्प्लेसमेंट देयर इन रिएक्शन कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट विद CO2 plus H2O. दिस इज नॉट डिस्प्लेसमेंट बच्चा आयुष, दिस इज मोर ऑफ लाइक combination. Ayush Pal, yeah. So we can also eat soap in acidity. बच्चा that soap is not good for health ना. कैसे बात कर रहे हो? That's not proper base. पहली बात तो they use very strong base, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. We don't need strong base. We only treat it with weak bases whenever we feel acidity. दूसरी बात, in soap they put so much of preservative, so much of surfactants जिनका काम होता है froth formation को बढ़ाना, animal fat and all. I won't suggest eating soap at all. गलती से taste कर लिया, that's a different thing. Okay? We add water to carbon dioxide, which is acidic, show acidic behavior. Adit, too much. How soft drink is formed? Soft drink कैसे बनती है? बाकी के लोग please see the summary. How metal is reacting with acid, base, metal carbonate, acid base, metal bicarbonate, acid base, metal oxide and non-metal oxide. अच्छा, ये है CO2. How will I show its acidic behavior? Because this is acidic oxide. कैसे प्रूव करूं? पानी में मिक्स करो. They combine to give H2CO3, carbonic acid. तो जब Coca-Cola, Thumbs Up, whenever you open the bottle, you see the fizz coming out. That's CO2 that's mixed in that sweet water, flavored water. है ना? That's what it is. Acidic behavior को कैसे show करोगे? Take a litmus paper. मैंने ये 9-10 channel जो है वेदांतु का, I have made a video, pH indicator और litmus paper से how you can detect different substances. And I've showed carbonic acid also. Blue litmus को red कर देगा. Simple. ठीक है? Now let's try to take some quizzes. Okay, here comes the first one. Yes. Come on students, focus. I'll explain it, don't worry, घबराने का नहीं है. Question है, what will be the product of the reaction sulfur dioxide with NaOH? Again, this is sulfur is non-metal, उसका oxide लिया. Non-metal oxide का nature you know, acidic. I'm trying to react with the base, but we get salt and water, है ना? Non-metal oxide, acid, base, salt, water. You need to identify the salt. कौन सा salt बनेगा? Remember, this reaction is already balanced. This will help you to identify the product. This will help you to identify the product. Come on. अंशिका, अभी unmuting बहुत मुश्किल होगा. Anu ma'am will definitely help you to take your doubts. Last 2-3 minutes, if I'll be having time, then I can consider. I'm just having back-to-back classes and I need at least 10-15 minutes to, catch a breath, to freshen up. So, thoda difficult ho jata hai bache. That's why Anu ma'am is also there to help, na? And I'm pretty sure she's helping with her best possibilities. That's why replay option is there. Notes options are also there. Type your message if I can help you. If I'll be having time, I'll take, this unmuting thing into consideration. Chalo, I hope you know now. Let's start in 3, 2, 1, go. I already told you reaction is already balanced. Think about it कि in reactant ने जब react किया उसमें से H2O हटा दो, what will be the reactant that could be formed? Product that could be formed. Kind of expecting this kind of a response though, not very happy. So many slap. Ameya, Adit, Rahul, Tej, Anamika and Aditya. That's great. Eno, हाँ बच्चे, Eno में भी Nancy baking soda होता है, ठीक है? Ayush, Pal, Tushar and Ritika को नाम का virtual slap. अभी so bad. Tej नहीं, आप लोग बहुत अच्छे हो. Mistakes तो सबसे होती है, मैं भी करती थी. But here the answer is B. Okay, चलो. Yes, Gaurji, कैसे हो आप? Long time. देखो, balancing नहीं की ना इसलिए चांटा. क्यों? ये देखो. I have 2 Na, Na2. I have 1 sulfur. अब मेरे पास 2 and 4 oxygen था. Remember, 4 oxygen था. I have used 1 oxygen. 4 में से 1 कम कर दो, 3 बचे. 3 oxygen है ना? Balancing. Yes, Om. Balancing. ठीक है? Na2SO3 बनेगा. Sodium sulfide. B is the right answer. SO3 sulfide. Okay. One more question and we'll see the leaderboard again. Focus करो. Yes. Chat को करते हैं off. And question पढ़ो, इतने में एक doubt ले लेती हूँ. Reaction in which acid and base react to form salt and water. Very easy. If we don't take any base for neutralization and if salt is formed, why can't we take salt and water directly? And Chika, reverse is also possible. That's the topic that I'm going to teach you in salt. That how will you identify the nature of salt? You take salt, you put water in that will again decompose to give acid and base back. But as a solution, when I'm having acid and base together, they'll again try to react together to give salt back. समझ रहे हो? Because acid का H ion react with base का OH ion. तो बनेगा water and salt. तो kind of a reversible reaction होती है ये. ठीक है? Acid, salt से water add करके we can get acid and base back also. But we need some conditions. हम इतना ही prefer करेंगे acid base react to give salt. इतना ही. चलो फिर ये क्वेश्चन शुरू कर रहे हैं. 3, 2, 1. Now. And one more question, please ask the doubts which is related to the class, which is related to the topic, which is related to your own syllabus. I can answer those questions, but syllabus is too much to cover and those will be like a kind of a deviation. So you can ask me on my email ID. Or doubt app. Doubt app is always there. ठीक है. Now, OP, you are OP. Great job. Om, Kataria. Om, that's amazing. Ayush, Aditri, Naman, Pratibha, Subhashri and Suman. That was so great. Neil and Anurag. Anurag late आए इसीलिए. Hulk चाटा. Hulk चाटा मिलेगा. We'll see the leaderboard too. 94 is not bad at all. Answer मतलब मुझे लगा लेकिन full मिलेगा. क्या आंसर है? Acid base is neutralization, right? Neutralization. Calcium is more reactive than hydrogen. आयुष हर बार आप डिस्प्लेसमेंट थोड़ी ना चेक करोगे. डिस्प्लेसमेंट का एक कंडीशन होता है. Why you all forget that condition? Element, compound, उसका aqueous solution. That's how displacement work. If that element is more reactive, then इसका जो element इसमें involve है, then वो उसको displace कर सकती है. ठीक है? Don't mix that every time. Okay, चलो फिर leaderboard देखते हैं. कितनी क्लासेस एक साथ अटेंड करते हो? हाँ भाई. ओके, चलो लीडरबोर्ड देखते हैं. लीडरबोर्ड टाइम. कैटाइन आर्मी के लिए सॉरी. I never come in fastest fingers list. तानिया कोई बात नहीं. If I would be a student, I'll be in the same category. मेरा भी इंटरनेट कभी कभी ऐसे करता है. Atoms Army, happy. Naman on the top. Palak, Om, Opi, Aditya, Paid, Adit, Rahul, Prakhar, Ayush, Subhashri, Shaurya, Anamika, Tushar, and other 3. That's so amazing. Very good. छोटी सी चीज और बतानी है so that when you guys come to next class, you will be better prepared to know about this. ठीक है? और वो क्या है? Chat off करते हैं. Please class पे focus करो. Yes everyone. हाँ जी. Have a nice day. तेज अभी बाकी है क्लास. एसिड और बेस मैंने आपको इतना बता दिया अब तक that how acid and base react, examples of acid and base, physical property, chemical property. एसिड को हम dilute कर सकते हैं and we can talk concentrated acid, diluted acid. Base को we can dilute by putting water, concentrated base, diluted base. There's one more thing that I want to tell you about acid and base is that whenever we take acid and base in water, because water डालना जरूरी है, they ionize. And don't ask the meaning of ionize. That's something you should know. Ionize का मतलब to convert into ions. Ions का मतलब positive, negative charge. Remember last to last class में मैंने पढ़ाया था. Suppose I'm taking an example of acid. Whenever I put it in water, क्या होता है? That will dissociate. And water आके उसको gather कर लेता है. H positive can't exist alone because that's only hydrogen nucleus, very tiny. Water के साथ combine करके it gives hydronium ion और chloride aqueous form में. ठीक है? Same with base. Suppose I'm taking NaOH. If I'm putting in water, water helps to ionize it and we get aqueous ion, Na and OH. So that's what the slide is telling, that whenever we take acid and base, they ionize in water. They convert to ions. The main thing that I want to add here is that their ionization may be complete or not complete. On that basis, acid or base are of two types. Strong, सबसे पहले acid की बात करते हैं. Strong acid and weak acid. How would we know that the given acid is strong? How would we know the given acid is weak? 10th class में there's only limited knowledge that has been shared, and that is if the acid dissociate completely. Complete dissociation का मतलब whatever the H ions are there, whatever the molecule there, suppose 100 molecule we have taken, all 100 will dissociate and all 100 H ions will be free. So what is strong acid? Which shows complete dissociation, complete acid will convert to ions and all the H ions are free. Very high strength of H ions. So what will be weak acid? Which shows partial dissociation. Matlab, the acid is not going to completely convert to ions. Suppose I've taken 100 molecule of acid. Maybe 60 will ionize to give acid, 60 will ionize to give ions, H ion free. बाकी के 40 will not ionize, still be in the molecular form. तो पूरा ionization नहीं हुआ, it won't dissociate, वो weak acid हो गया. I'll tell you with the help of example because I'm pretty sure example will help you better. Chalo. Let's talk about HCl. Hydrochloric acid is a strong acid because when you take the acid, it's completely ionized to give hydronium ion या H positive ion, aqueous ion or chloride ion. ठीक है? Complete ionization. How would we know? We show this arrow, forward arrow. What is the meaning of forward arrow? This completely shift to forward, यानी कि completely shift to give these product. All the H ions are free. That's why this is a strong acid. What is a weak acid? Won't dissociate completely. अब इसको इस GIF से समझो. I've taken carbonic acid. I've mixed it in the water. See, some are still in the molecular form. Some dissociate. ठीक है? So let's just see it. It will run again. That only when carbonic acid dissociate, it give H ions. 2H है तो 2H ions. और एक कार्बोनेट आयंस या won't dissociate completely का मतलब है some will give these ions and some will again combine to give this carbonic acid back. Weak acid में भी show this arrow. इसको double headed arrow बोलते हैं. Two side head है ना, मतलब forward भी बन रहा है product. They can combine to give this molecule back too. How do we decide an acid is strong? Complete dissociation, all H ions free. How do we decide an acid is weak? Not complete dissociation. Some will be there in the ionic form and some of the acid is only in molecular form. And if molecule, matlab no dissociation, those H ions are not free. That is weak acid. That's why HCl is a strong acid, carbonic acid is weak acid. Don't get confused with concentrated and diluted. Concentrated dilute is a different concept. Dilution is simply the process of adding solvent. ठीक है, चाहे वो strong acid हो चाहे वो weak acid हो, कुछ भी हो सकता है. But this is a different concept that depends on how they are dissociating into ions. तो simple है. Strong, complete dissociation strong, incomplete dissociation, partial dissociation weak. And same goes with the base too. ठीक है, तो let's talk about base also. दो examples से देख लेते हैं. Sodium hydroxide जो है students, that's a strong base. Again, why that's a strong base? Because in water, it dissociates completely to give all the OH ions which are free. सारे के सारे H ions free हैं, तो strong base, complete dissociation. Complete dissociation, all OH ions free. All OH ions free, strong base. और ammonium hydroxide एक weak base है. Why that's a weak base? Because maybe some molecule only will dissociate कि आधे से ज़्यादा will dissociate to give ions, बाकी के आधे will again combine to give the molecule back. ठीक है? So that's what the strong and weak concept. Now let's just remember some of the example. Strong base के example है sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. Strong है but बहुत ज़्यादा strong नहीं है. You can say mild. ठीक है? Weak base, ammonia is a weak base. And how do you check ammonia is a weak base? जैसे उसको water में डालोगे, as soon as you mix ammonia with water, you get ammonium hydroxide. Weak base. Sodium carbonate, इसको नहीं भी लिखो तो चलोगे, जितने भी basic salt होते हैं ना, सब weak होते हैं. Basic salts are already weak in nature. जैसे कि sodium carbonate, baking soda, these are weak base. ठीक है? Magnesium hydroxide also you can keep in that category. वो mild base होता है थोड़ा. But we use only this much, so you don't need to remember so many things. Strong के ये example याद कर लो, weak के example बस 2-3, that is ammonium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, that will work. Aluminium hydroxide, that's weak. Copper hydroxide, ठीक है? Reactivity series याद है तो ये ध्यान रखो, metal that comes at lower position, उनके base weak होंगे, मतलब उनके hydroxide, जैसे कि जिंक हाइड्रोक्साइड, कॉपर हाइड्रोक्साइड, वीक बेस. स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस जो ऊपर वाली मेटल है, सोडियम का हाइड्रोक्साइड, पोटेशियम का हाइड्रोक्साइड, दोज विल बी स्ट्रॉन्ग. दिस विल हेल्प यू पक्का से. ठीक है, तो अभी हमने क्या देखा? व्हाट इज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड, व्हाट इज वीक एसिड, व्हाट इज स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस, व्हाट इज वीक बेस. जस्ट रिमेंबर वन थिंग, स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड को भी आई कैन डाइल्यूट, वीक एसिड को भी आई कैन डाइल्यूट, स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस को भी आई कैन डाइल्यूट, वीक बेस को भी आई कैन डाइल्यूट. डोंट mix these two concepts. Dilution is just decreasing the concentration. That concept depend upon the concentration of acid or base taken. Strength is strong है weak, that depends totally on the amount, the dissociation of acid and base. That's an internal concept that doesn't depend on solvent. बहुत important बात थी ये. ठीक है, अब जो है स्टूडेंट्स, एक और क्वेश्चन ले लेती हूँ मैं, फिर नेक्स्ट क्लास में क्या पढ़ेंगे हम? दैट यू नो द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ वीक एसिड, वीक बेस, स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड, स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस. बट हाउ वुड वी आइडेंटिफाई देयर इज एनी प्रॉपर मेथड? यस, एंड दैट मेथड विल बी यूनिवर्सल इंडिकेटर. यूनिवर्सल इंडिकेटर है क्या? मिक्सचर ऑफ बहुत सारा डाई, मिक्सचर ऑफ बहुत सारा इंडिकेटर, एंड दैट इज समथिंग जो इतना सेंसिटिव होता है towards color change that can also tell us whether the given substance is strong acid, weak acid, neutral substance, weak base, strong base. And that concept is definitely very important and we'll do it in next class. But abhi quickly is question ka answer do mujhe. Which one of following is a weak base? We did this a minute before. Sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, sodium carbonate, barium hydroxide. Which one is weak base? Remember the concept. जो reactivity series में ऊपर वाली मेटल आती है, they give strong base. Basic जो salt होते हैं, these are weak in nature. Metal और जो reactivity series में नीचे आते हैं, they also give weak base. ठीक है? Okay, we'll start it now. Read it again. 3, 2, 1, go. Go my atoms army. Very quick response, by the way. 1, 2 students still need to respond. Okay. And oh my God, Vivek, where were you? Ayush, Adit, Tushar, Akshat, Ameya and Vivek gave the right answer. Ayush, OP, Rahul, Nipun got confused here. Yes, students, C में OH था ही नहीं, वो एक basic salt था. I'll show you the same slide. That was a basic salt and those are weak in nature. ठीक है, मैंने बहुत बार repeat किया था. Metal के hydroxide को if you compare with salt, then they'll be always weak in nature. Sodium carbonate जो है एक weak base है. Even your baking soda, which is sodium hydrogen carbonate, metal carbonate, metal bicarbonate, I've repeated 2 to 3 times in this class and last class that though they are base, but they are basic salt which are weak in nature. और जिसमें OH आ रहा है, they're generally strong, but सबसे ज्यादा strong होता है NaOH, KOH. ये सब strong है. तो C is the right answer. ठीक है students? C was the right answer. Hope you're happy. Final leaderboard देखते हैं. And final leaderboard tells me formula of carbohydrate. But that changes. But general जो formula होता है ना, जो हमारे syllabus में, that is CH2O का end time. तो C6H12O6, C12H22O11, वो पूरा carbohydrate का पूरा detail जो chapter है वो 12th class में है. Okay, so Ayush, that was a great response. Adit, Aditi, Tej, Palak, Tushar, Naman, Ameya, Akshat, Prakhar, Om, Suman, Shubhashri, and Rahul. That was a fantastic response from your side. Naman, you can, connect to me on Instagram. I'll try to, वो जो आपका question है वो already उसमें include है practice में. And that's a 7th class question. I'm pretty sure you haven't, did it from your side. I'll record an audio and I'll send it to you. ठीक है? Great response बच्चा लोग. Metals, if a question will be asking, Ayush Pushra, to write a chemical equation, so how will we got to know that we have to write displacement or combination? Combination always give a single product. Displacement give two product. That's a major difference. Combination combine करना है. Displacement दो में से two reactant में one will displace this one and will be free. और दो मतलब दो product minimum मिलेंगे displacement में. ठीक है? That was the reason. Let's see the star. Yes, Aniket, we did it completely. We didn't know how to. Metals are supposed to give their electron to hydroxyl and dissociate, but in NH4H, how there is no metal? Ayush, there's always not necessary that metal will only give you the base. Ammonium hydroxide is also base. Base का basic behavior is due to OH ion. यहाँ पे ammonium ion है, NH4 positive and OH negative. They are making an ionic compound. That's how they are combined together and make bond. But पानी डालते ही ये free हो जाएंगे. NH4 अलग, OH अलग. ठीक है? Okay, Naman. I have I have my classes till 10 o'clock, maybe after that. So students, abhi kya karna hai? If anything is left, please go and revise everything, see replay. You can still connect to me on my email ID, that's anubha.gaur@vedantu.com. ठीक है? अब है जरा बात करो अपने नेट प्रोवाइडर से कि हमारे इंटरनेट का गुस्सा कम करे. Okay, आयुष वो फर्स्ट चैप्टर पढ़ा है ना, उसमें देखो कॉम्बिनेशन इज समथिंग that happens when element compound or compound can react, and with practice you will be able to get it. Practice के अलावा कोई और ऑप्शन नहीं है. Okay, चलो अंशिका अभी चलते हैं. I did water to acid in school while diluting last year, nothing happened. अंशिका अमाउंट पे भी डिपेंड करता है ना. I did it so many times and it happened to me, and teacher is like, you're grown up, you should not do these things. चलो, I'll meet you next time students. Don't forget to leave your feedback. कल मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए bye bye, take care, thank you so much, bye bye.